Hello, fellow traders. It's Nutty Bar, and it's time to do the recap. It is Monday, July 28th, and let's dive right in. First and foremost, we officially got our Apex payout approved. Let's go. $20,000 approved, and that is the highlight of the day. So, really, that's the highlight of the day. I know we had a red day. We'll get into that in a little bit, but honestly, that is the highlight of today. Now, going into what happened today, I don't know. I mean, like I said when I started stream, there is no way we're going to have a bad day because we got that payout is approved. So, not going to have a bad day, but I I got seriously shafted this morning. It was bad. I'll just show you guys here. So this is the NQ chart, and as you guys know, I am always on the NQ chart, but I can trade micros. But looking at the NQ chart, I trade micros, and I can do that with this affordable indicators chart trader right here. But so we went long on we finally broke above the 500s, which is what I was looking for. Then we pulled back to the 15-minute opening range high, and I entered long on that move. And I had my stop right here at the 492s, which was about $140 loss, okay? And I mean, you can go, actually, I should have clipped it and shown you guys this, but you can go back and watch it on the live stream. But in a split second, I was so confused. All of a sudden, I was stopped out for over a $300 loss. And my fill is all the way down here at the 465s. I mean, someone make sense of that, please. Now, I'm going to switch to the MNQ chart. Remember, that is what the NQ chart looked like. This is what the MNQ chart looked like. And as you can see, we had one violent wick all the way down to the 465s, which is precisely where I get filled for about a $320 loss. I mean, I don't care what you say. That's dirty. That is just downright dirty. I refrained from calling the SEC today, but we were getting close. But I will say this, man, I am so thankful that I took a payout on these accounts, because if this would have happened, if I would have decided not to take a payout and I would have decided to try to build my buffer, and this was the first trade and this is what happens, oh dear, help us all, because I would have lost it. So anyway, that pretty much sums up my day. That pretty much summed up my day. It was just an ugly price action day, to be honest. I tried to do a short right here. I thought we would go retest the lows here. And as you can see, shorted right here, market went up, stopped me out, not quite to the wick, and then proceeded and would have hit my target. One of them days, just one of them days. But you know what? We survived. I went into Quant Guard and I shut down my trading for the day when that happened, and we walked away. And then this afternoon on the My Funded Future accounts, we did catch some of these bounces. Caught a couple of the bounces, and the final one was right here all the way up to the VWAP. So ended up on a nice green day on these My Funded Future funded accounts. These My Funded Future accounts are funded, and hopefully obviously our goal is to get these accounts to a payout. Also, we have our trade day accounts are funded. We did not get to trade those today. Hopefully tomorrow, but I mean, overall, it's disheartening on the Apex accounts. I was really hoping for like a $200 green day on these accounts. Now, obviously, these 5 Apex accounts right here, these 5 accounts, we're really close to hitting our, we're really close to losing these accounts. We have about $600 left of drawdown. And like I had said when I requested the 4,000 per account, I am okay with losing those accounts. I know it's probably going to happen. I'm going to try not to make it happen on purpose. Hopefully we can recover, but if it happens, I'm okay. We are not going to be upset. We're going to have a celebration of life instead of taking them out back behind the woodshed and shooting it or and doing it that way. We're going to have a celebration of life for those accounts because we have had those accounts for over a year. They have done their job, and I'm happy. We're not going to get upset about that. Now, one thing we haven't talked about is my Tradefy accounts. Oh man, you talk about a nightmare. I'm going to reset my. I have to reset them again. Yep. I can't pass. I can't seem to. I am on my 4th reset now. 4th, I repeat, 4th reset on those accounts. And I'm starting to get very frustrated that I didn't just immediately buy the straight to funded accounts. I don't know. In the next couple of days, I might end up just biting the bullet and buying straight to funded accounts. It makes me cringe to do that, but I might do it. It's going to depend a little bit how it goes. But also, I will not be trading. I will not be streaming tomorrow or Wednesday. As I've shared, I've got a lot going on for the next 3 weeks. I'm going to stream as much as I can, but it is going to be crazy busy. I have a lot of stuff going on with family and might have a couple golf events sneaked in here or there, but I don't know. It is what it is. I'm going to be back and I'm going to stream whenever I can. But the summertime here in Ohio is always busy, especially after July 4th. Just a lot of events. I'm actually making a very quick trip out to Colorado to visit my brother, which I hope he doesn't watch my videos. I just realized because it's supposed to be a surprise. I'm pretty sure he doesn't watch my videos. Let's hope he doesn't. That's going to be awkward. Anyway. That's it. That's all I got for you today. If I do trade, there's a chance I trade in some overnight sessions. I'll try to do a recap video, keep you guys informed, and we'll go from there. All right, everybody. I hope you guys all had a great green day. Take care, and God bless.